I've learned you can never give up, but you can always take a step back. I've learned you can be yourself and not be yourself at the same time. Because being someone is a projection, but being yourself is acceptance. Being a version of you is also a projection, but being yourself is acceptance. And that's what I have accepted in 2024, that it's okay to feel lost. It's okay to not find a solution, but it's not okay to not try. And this year I have tried. So last year in New Year's I was in Goa. I was having a great time. What's up people? So abhi hum ja rahe hain swimming. Then in the morning we go for a run, in the afternoon we go for a swim, and in the evening we go to the beaches और sunset वगैरह देखने के लिए. तो
अरे बंद हो गया बस.
ये तो पहाड़ी आंटी वाला डांस हो गया. Ever since I was a kid, I used to think my life particularly is like a sine wave. Like there are troughs and crests. So that's what I used to think my life has been like. But I think all of us are in this journey together. Some have a downward spiral, some have an upward spiral. The best thing is you can decide which way you want to go. You will have ups and downs. You might not even realize that you're going in the wrong direction. You might feel low all the time, but you might be going up, because you're not noticing the positives or you're not noticing the negatives. So life works both ways. And this intelligence should identify which way is the right way, because that inner voice always helps you. And if you ignore it, I think you're doing the worst thing in your life. Though I'm a mountain person, but I love beaches. So my ideal place would be like high mountains and there's a sea underneath, and I have this small cabin. We are always skeptical when we are meeting new people, and we had just met through Instagram. But he looked like a very chill, nice guy, so I went ahead with it. And it was the most fun I've had in this year. Like it was the highlight of my year. Like I was not expecting Arunachal to be this beautiful, but it was. The army presence there and the stories about the brave men who sacrificed themselves for our freedom was again a very incredible story to be a part of. So a happy new year to you guys, and take care, eat healthy, enjoy, party, be spiritually inclined as well a little bit, and just have fun. Take care. Happy New Year.